I learned about the law of attraction 2 years ago and started to apply it last year. Needless to say, it has not only improved but changed my entire life as well. Let's get into this. I'll just say I've never really been a lucky person, which has led me to believe there's no such thing as luck. I have had to work really hard for everything I have and I am today. I think we make our own luck, and my opinion on destiny is neither here nor there, because if you want something so bad and you pray so hard for it, you just might get it. So, it appears to be that our destiny isn't fixed. From my experience, I have prayed for things that seemed really unlikely that's happened to me, and I got my wishes. The reason why I have mentioned my views on luck and destiny is that your thoughts on them determine if the law of attraction will work for you. The law of attraction, LOA, is based on belief, and if you believe in destiny in the true form of it as something fixed that can't be changed, then it's unlikely that you'll be able to apply and implement LOA to its full potential. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is a thought principle that the universe will provide to you and make into a reality the primary thought of your conscious or your subconscious mind. This term is thrown around loosely today but not applied as it should be. There's more to LOA than just thinking good things. It works when you understand the principles of vibration and energy. You have to position yourself accurately so these things you want can be materialized. In order to begin to consciously create our reality, first, we need to grasp the principle of vibration. The law of vibration might not be as well known as the law of attraction. However, the law of vibration serves as the foundation for the law of attraction. Everything around us is made up of vibrations and energy. It may not make sense because everything around us is either solid or liquid, which we can touch and feel, but quantum physicists discovered that physical atoms are made up of vortices of energy that are constantly spinning and vibrating, each one radiating its own unique energy signature. Therefore, if we really want to observe ourselves and find out what we are really beings of energy and vibration, radiating our own unique energy signature. This is fact and is what quantum physics has shown us time and time again. Collective Evolution, 2014. So if we are made up of vibrations and energy, doesn't it make sense that like attracts like? Why can we sense people's energy? Over the phone or right in front of us, we can get a good reading of a person's vibe without them saying a word. It's just a feeling, but it's almost 99% accurate all the time. Being made up of vibrations and energy, we typically gravitate towards like-minded people, while our sense of caution heightens around places or people with a strange and unfamiliar energy. Have you noticed that when you are happy and having a good day, people want to talk to you more, say hi and just be nice to you? Well, it happens to me, and this is how I know that the energy I put out is the energy I receive, just like the law of karma. So, in order to attract what you want, you must vibrate on similar energy levels of that which you seek. If you focus on your worst fear in life, you are feeding and radiating that energy, and you just might attract your worst fear into your life. I know I have. Positive affirmation to repeat daily: that which I seek is seeking me.